So I'm going to load a 120 roll film into a Bronica ETRSi. It's the same for loading it into a Bronica ETRS as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the back off. You don't have to take the back off to load it. So take the back off. I'm then going to open the back up. And as with most 120 film backs, the empty spool is on the wrong side, so I'm going to have to move it. And the way I'm going to do that is lift the spool up, and this should pop up, and I'm going to then lift it up. I'm going to transfer it to the other side. Just going to push that one up, pop that in. Now it's ready for the film. Here's my film. This is very useful. I'm going to take this one off, and I'm actually going to slide it into the back to remind me what film I've got in there. I'm going to get the film out, recycle the cardboard, a bit of fun getting into this, and make sure that you take off all this sticky tape. Like so. Then we place it into the film carriage, make sure it's locked in place, roll it round the back, feed it into one of the gaps, like so. Lift this handle up, and notice that the handle's got a little arrow there, so it's telling me to wind that way. The handle seems to have broken on this one, so I'm going to have to do it manually. And what I've got to do is make sure that I line up this black arrow with the orange triangle. Once I've done that, I can replace the film carriage back into the film back, clip it shut. Now normally I'd wind on here, but this bit is obviously broken on this one. So I'm going to put it back onto the Bronica body, lift the handle up, and I'm going to wind on with the handle. Notice this is turning now. And it will stop at number 1, and there's number 1 in there, and I'm ready to go.